Namaskara, Bengaluru. As we welcome the new year, our city once again stands as a symbol of warmth, responsibility, and togetherness. This festive moment is an opportunity for us to celebrate with joy while upholding the values that define Bengaluru. The safety and well-being of every citizen remains our government's highest priority. In this regard, I appreciate the Bengaluru City Police for launching the city-wide initiative Celebrate Responsibility. Through this initiative, police teams are fully prepared with enhanced patrolling, emergency response units, and comprehensive support systems across the city. However, safety is shared responsibility. Public awareness and cooperation are equally vital. I urge all residents of Bengaluru to cooperate fully and strictly follow the guidelines, advisories, and instructions issued by police personnel on duty. Please adhere to safety norms, respect traffic arrangements, and be assured that our police officers and administrations are working round the clock to ensure your safety and comfort. Let us welcome the new year with care, awareness, and responsibility. Together, let us celebrate responsibly. Wish you all the happy new year 2026.